Hello guys, Howtobee here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will try a new and exciting and investment application. So if you are guys are looking for investment, so today I hope you guys can have this application, and this one is very good. So far I heard, so Google actually recommended to download the expert option. So I am going to try this, and let's go and download. And so far very good ratings, and also it's already gone 100 million downloads. And if you check other safeties like no data shared with third parties, no data collected, data is encrypted in transit, no data can be deleted, that's good. But so as you can see, there are less of scammers allowed, so this is going to be good one. So let's open the expert option. Let's see if we are expert enough to express the thing of feelings. And yeah, as you can see, there are lots of things is happening. So they actually gave me some balance, and this is the demo balance. I got 10,000 USD, and if I just gonna try, I really wanna buy, and I have to price it up. Will it work? And okay, surprising, no way. Okay, someone is using $1, $2. If I buy, so I did another box, new deal. Okay, so that's the new deal. No way. Strike rate, what is happening? So top crypto index is 70, and oh, let me check out the details. So that's all. Let's go again, and yeah, that's the open deals. New deal. Okay, this is close on. And what about this? Oh my god, what is this happening? What the heck? Ooh. Oh no. Oh, this was close. Well, now let's check out the deposit. Well, I have to create an account, or I can't have the full details. So that's all from now, but that's the demo. That's the trading history. And Yanda. That's one was interesting. And news, expert option market overview. Okay. And I have to log in for the withdrawal. Yeah, not selected amount. Please make sure you first deposit before requesting withdrawal. So they are kind of enforcing you to just deposit for getting in occasion to getting the rewards. Not bad. Not bad. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. That's not bad either way. And first deposit before requesting. That's legit, quite legit. Oh no. What? Oh no. Damn. I can see the stat, right? I can see the stat. What is this? Okay. That's the earning. That's good. That's good. No. Okay. No. Well, that's not bad, isn't it? Done. Not that bad. Cycle is ending. So we should try another time. Well, this is critical. This is critical right now. No new deal. Well, yeah, so far this application looks legit to me, and I will do much and more interesting videos about this. Hope you all will love the expert option, and see you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.